Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change a deal disposition in your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the disposition of one of your deals in Attio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're using Attio as a CRM, it's an easy way to track progress from deals that are in the lead status all the way until finished. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the disposition on a deal here on the left side, go ahead and click on deals. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the deals you're currently working on. And then at the top, you're going to see all the different dispositions you might have. So for this account, we have 3 dispositions. So it looks like this one is already in progress, but maybe we made a mistake and we haven't actually won this deal yet. So we're going to have to move it back to quote submitted. So all you're going to do is just hover over the deal, and you can just grab it and just drag it to the new disposition. So we'll put it right here in quote submitted. Now, if you're trying to move a deal into a disposition that doesn't exist, you can easily add another disposition. So for this account, they go lead, submit quote, they won the quote, and the job's in progress. So maybe right here, we want to put a disposition as in maybe purchasing supplies. So all you're going to do to add another disposition is click on this plus icon here to the right and go ahead and name the new disposition purchasing supplies, and then just click enter. And you can see it's all the way over here. So we're going to go ahead and just grab it by these 6 little dots and drag it right over to here. Okay, so now we have the disposition of lead, submit quote. We win the quote, we're going to start buying supplies. And then after that, the job would be in progress. And then same thing, we can easily just drag whatever deal over here into purchasing supplies. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the disposition for one of your deals inside of your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.